Welcome to the tutorial for the QR code screen on the Swish app. We will cover the various buttons and features accessible on the QR code screen. Starting in the top left, you can see the title, the format, and the date and time for your location. You'll also see a button that says Join Game or Claim Slot. These both do the same thing, and this is where players can click to claim their slot in a game. It's important that players click the Join Game or Claim Slot button if they want to be able to view the matches and input scores. Next in the top right, we have the Edit function where you can edit the details for a particular game and save your changes. You can also edit the title or delete a game as needed. The Game Feed button allows you to message any of the players in this particular event. If someone leaves an item behind, if you have an announcement, or whatever be the case, you can message just the players in this particular event. This is useful so you don't have to use a big group chat with dozens of players if it's only relevant to 10 or so players. In the middle is the QR code. Players can scan this to pull up the game on their own phone. They can also type in the join code, which is case sensitive, into the Find Games tab of their Swish app. They simply navigate to Find Games, click on the join code in the bottom right, and paste those 4 digits, which will open them right up to the game where they can claim their slot. Next is the View Round Robin or View Matches that takes you to the scoring portion of the event. The Add Images is a place where you can add attachment or photos from the game. Moving down, we have the Edit Players button. This is your home base for lots of features. If you need to make substitutes, add or remove players, or other features, you can click Edit Players. The Club Members Plus is another way to add players to a game. Next, we have the player list. Text Game Invite is a way for you to send an actual URL linked to this game. And lastly, you can see the list of players who are participating. Any player who has claimed their spots will have a profile picture and 3 dots next to their name so that you can DM them or add them as a friend. That's the QR code screen in full detail. Reach out to our team if you have any questions.